Give this IB faded trade here, see what happens here. They spiked above it, fell back immediately underneath it. Candle closed pretty bearish. Tape has flipped. Let's see if they can come fill me.
Order filled.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
That's it for me. I'm done for the day. I've not had one of these kind of trades, these kind of days in a very long time. I'm calling it there. Let's go ahead and just hop straight into the high time frame here. Plan today was to play inside this distribution. We had a pretty large overnight range session, about 500 points, and so typically after an expanded overnight range, we see a contracted RTH session, and today it seems like every time we went above overnight high, we kind of fell back underneath it, at least on this part of the day for now. And it's only 7:55 a.m. But I got a buddy who's done extensive back testing, who has repeatedly dished out these sort of stats to us. Every time you have a massive overnight session, RTH is pretty contracted. I mean, 350 points for RTH isn't necessarily contracted, but it is relative to the overnight session. We spiked above overnight. We spiked above IB high and immediately got shit on by sellers. Hopping back down to the... Sorry, I wanted to mention, when we broke IB high, we were already near the top end of this distribution. We were reaching the pivot area that I had drawn, that sort of left there for quite some time. And today, we spiked above it, right here, and dumped about 50 to 60 points. So I had a resting limit order here at IB high. At the same time as the buyers came back in, sellers were selling into them, and you can see that the tape actually flipped red for the first time in about maybe 10-15 minutes here of buying. So I was pretty interested in shorting this. It was a decent close on a 5-minute candle, and I got it on the wick of that 5-minute candle. In the previous wick of this 5-minute candle. And that's it for me. I haven't had a one and done sort of trade for about 3 weeks now, so I'm gonna call it here. Thanks for watching.